What's going on, guys? My name's Roscoe. Thank you again for tuning into my channel. As you can see, this is going to be an unboxing video. I picked up a bunch of stuff that I've been kind of like holding on to in my room that I've been waiting to make this video. We also have a guest, Bane, my dog. He's going to help us out today. So let's just dive into it. But first, actually, I just want to mention the giveaway. The giveaway has officially been, it's over, it's done. Thank you everybody that kind of tuned into my live stream on Thursday. I thought it was great. It was a great success. There was actually a few people that were in the live stream that won, but I just want to let you guys know everything's been mailed this morning, so it's all set. And you guys, I'm gonna actually put something in my stories, like a survey or whatever, some feedback. And you guys, if you guys want me to go live more often, just let me know. I kind of want to figure out like what day, like do you want me to go live on weekdays, weekends, you know, just to chat it up, talk about sneakers, maybe do some unboxings, we'll see. Kind of just mix it up. I definitely want to do some live cops. But anyways, I just want to let you know the giveaway's over. The next giveaway will be at 5K, so 5K subs. But without further, I have a ton of stuff to unbox and show you guys. Some sneakers, clothes, and actually some other stuff too that's not really streetwear related, but I kind of wanted to show you. So, but anyways, hey, let's just dive into it. So let's go. All right, so the first package I want to open is actually from PacSun. Now this is part of the Essentials drop that they did, the Fear of God. I don't know if anybody really, I don't really cover Fear of God a lot on this channel. I'm not sure if, you know, if any of you viewers out there are into this stuff, but Fear of God is like, it's okay to me. It's more of like a West Coast, I feel, vibe. And I'm out here in Boston, and it's kind of not like the, you know, it's not like my style per se. And stuff, and some of that stuff is super expensive. But the Essentials drop that they do with PacSun, I kind of like this one that they did. Now I picked up a bunch of stuff. Well, just a couple things. I picked up, all right. So let's get that out of the way. So I picked up actually the Fear of God red sweatpants. Now I kind of like the whole vibe that they did with the whole sweatpants with the yellow and red, gray, and I think there was a black one. But guys, it's fall, winter's right around the corner, it's cozy season. So I thought this was actually a pretty good price. I think, what did this go for? I think it was like 50, 60 bucks tops. Yeah, so this is the sweatpants I picked up. I got the red colorway only because I have some like, I have some Jordans and some shoes that will go with these. So this is just basic red Essentials that I picked up. Definitely, I like the whole vibe of this. Like I said, I really like the colorway. Just a really basic red, you know? You can't go wrong with that stuff, so I don't know, I think it's dope. I think this is fire. And then for a shirt, dude, you gotta go back over here, bro. For a shirt, you don't want to be mooning people. Go. Guys, get over here. Get over here. This is now he wants to play. Get over here. Hey, there you go. Dude, get on the blanket. You're not supposed to be on there with your nails. So for a t-shirt, sorry about that, I just picked up this gray long sleeve. I don't really have that many, like, just basic gray long sleeves. So I thought this was a really nice piece. I went XL on all this. And I'll try this all on at the end for you guys so you can see. So it's just a basic gray. There's nothing on the front. And then it just says Essentials on the back. Now I know a lot of people are like already sick of it because it's kind of repetitive with PacSun and the Essentials drop, but I don't know. I think it's dope. This is like my first couple pieces from the Essentials, so I know you guys are gonna get a kick out of this guy, so. All right, I don't want you getting dog hair all over my clothes, bro. Thank you. Put this over here. The next pickup, actually, what's this one? This one's from Supreme. So I picked this up from Supreme. This was from the CGC collaboration that they did a couple weeks ago. A lot of you guys didn't know, but I took an L. I took an L on all of the CGC stuff, but this is what I really wanted, that I kind of been waiting on for a while. Let me see. No, I didn't even get through the bag. Hold on. Over here. Go. Here. So I got this from Supreme, and this is just the waist bag. So I ended up picking up the black waist bag. I'm not a fan of the shoulder bags this season. I kind of like the whole waist bag vibe, to be honest. So let me just test this out. And I just want to use this because I have some shorts, some pants that really don't have any pockets. And I think this is pretty cool to carry my wallet, my some camera equipment and stuff like that. So I wouldn't wear it around my waist though. So yeah, so here it is, the black. I went black, just normal basic. It'll go a lot with my fit. So I don't know, it's a vibe. It's I think, what was this? Like, this ended up coming out to like 90 bucks, so it's not too bad. I really want the spring season waist bag. I think those waist bags are far better than this season, but I like it. It's pretty dope. So I got that. Yeah, I don't eat chewing plastic. And then, did I get any stickers? Oh, they just gave me a couple box logos. Nothing crazy. So, alright, so this is something different. This has nothing to do with streetwear or anything in general, but I've been waiting on this for a while. Oh, the box. This dude's a monster when it comes to boxes. Alright, here. Yeah, have fun. Go play. I picked up the Xbox, I don't know what this is called, Phantom Black colorway of the Xbox controller. I don't know. I play a lot of Xbox, I play a lot of PlayStation, I have both systems. It's fall, everybody knows fall and winter is when all the good games drop. I already have Call of Duty pre-ordered, Black Ops 4. I play Forza, I'm big into Forza. I like Gears of War. So I play a lot of all that stuff on Xbox. So what I'll do is I'll put my gamer tags below. So if you guys want to add me, you guys can add me if you want, we'll play. I usually play weekdays and Saturdays sometimes. So, I mean, usually once I drop my video during the week, I usually just go right and play because I kind of just want to drop social media and just get away from it all. And there's nothing better than playing some video games and just kind of like getting your mind off stuff. So I picked up this controller. Hold on, and then, hold on. Hey. And then for PlayStation, I picked up this week, but I couldn't wait to unbox it. So I picked up the red controller, and then the game I've been playing right now is Spider-Man. I'm a huge nerd when it comes to like comic books and stuff. I used to collect comic books when I was a kid, and this game is definitely up for Game of the Year. As far as like PlayStation is concerned, this game is awesome. I haven't stopped playing it. It's so sick. I've been dying to play it, so I've been playing like heavy, like insane. And I dropped playing video games for a while. Alright, so next pickup, I believe this is from StockX. Yeah, this is from StockX. This is a jacket I picked up. I actually got this below retail, which is pretty dope. But this is the Kith Mitchell & S jacket. This jacket is so sick. I actually had this jacket in black. Here it is right here. I had this jacket in black, but I sold it. It didn't fit right. I think it was a size too small. So what I did was I sold it, and I was like, you know what, this one's going below retail, this colorway. I was like, I'll just pick this one up. I like this one just as well, and I actually get it in my true size, which I ended up getting an XL. Now the black one I had was a large. This is an XL. So this is the jacket, satin, warm-up jacket, super light, very nice, comfortable. I think this is sick. This is definitely sick. So this is from the Kith Mitchell & S collaboration. Definitely gonna be rocking this in the fall. Super sick. So I picked that up. Now shoes. Let's take a look at the shoes I picked up. All right, so shoes. I picked up, actually I got 2 pairs of shoes for free, and the other one I ordered, it just came in, so I'll unbox that all. I'll show you the ones let's show you these first. Let's open this one up. So these I actually doubled up on. I'm not gonna really go too heavy into these because I've already made like 3 or 4 videos on these already. But let's just take a look at them. I'm actually dope that they get another pair of these in, and here he comes again, running around. Get back! Dude, loser, go away. Here he comes, trouble, box. Here, you want a box? There you go, bro. So I ended up picking up the pair of the 700s. Now this is a double up for me. Yes, I doubled up on these. I had to. These are probably one of my favorite shoes. Woo. Fresh pair, a nice pair of fresh 700s. My other pair is right here. So this is the pair I'm gonna beat the crap out of and wear all the time. And then I got a fresh pair right here. I think I might hold on to these. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. I think honestly, to be honest, I think the value of these are gonna go up probably about like around December. Because every time the first model of a shoe always goes up in price after time. So right now, if you're sitting on them, if you're a reseller, I would definitely hold these. These are definitely a hold. Do not sell right away. Because I think the value on these are gonna go right up. So I doubled up on those. I don't know when I'll wear these. I'll probably save these for a while. Maybe a giveaway. Maybe this will be the 5K giveaway. Who knows? So yeah, these I'm gonna beat the crap out of these. I wear these like every day now. Now that I have two pairs. Now a lot of people have already been hitting me up on these shoes because I've already posted them like in the backdrop of my videos. But it's time to come clean on these. So I got two pairs. Now this is an off-white Jordan box, but hate to say it, both these shoes are Fugazi, L's, fakes, replicas, junk. It's going to hammer on that box over there. Now, I'm gonna make another separate video talking about these, so I just want to show you and let you guys know. But yeah, so someone sent me these. These are the off-white Jordan 1s. They're fakes. And I'm gonna probably make a video on telling you why they're fake and what do I think about fakes and everything like that. But now you guys know. So these are Fugazis. So it's gonna be, I'll probably write Air Fakes right next to them. But yeah, so now you guys know. These are fakes. And I got them for free. Someone sent them from China for me for free. So I'll make another video, like I said, with you guys. And then these are another pair of fakes. Dude, these people, again from China, have been sending me stuff. I don't know why. They want me to promote all this stuff, but I just want to come clean and let you guys know because a lot of people have been hitting me up and like, oh, what are those shoes? You haven't talked about those yet, and this is why. Because I'm not really going to get into it. So these are fake too as well. Like I said, I'm gonna make another video and we'll talk about like how to pick out fakes and how you do, like, you know, just to help you guys out on how to spot fakes and everything like that, because there is a huge difference. But yeah, these are the frozen yellows, straight Fugazis, but I don't know. They're pretty legit though. If you look at them like from far away, like if you look at them, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference, I don't think. But once you hold them in hand, you'll be able to tell. So that's everything I kind of picked up. A bunch of stuff, right? A ton of stuff. But I've been waiting on it. I've been sitting on all this stuff for like 2 weeks, so. But guys, that's my video for today. Be on the lookout. I'm gonna probably drop another video on the fakes. So, guys, that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And hey, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!